What do some people say that makes them sound uneducated? Tell unnecessary lies that are obvious to people who aren't stupid. I had a friend in high school that did that. Like the time she told the school that NSYNC were in town for a concert, which they were, and staying in her basement. Or the time I missed one day and she told everyone that I got into a car accident and the bottom half of my leg was fine, but the top half had to be amputated. So the doctors were going to do that and reattach the bottom half. Someone told a counselor about the lie, and the counselor talked to her. She was recommended a therapist and was mandated to go once a week, accompanied by either a teacher or her grandmother to make sure she went.